Alright, so I'm doing a Lego BattleBot build. From now on, I'm doing commentary over every single one. So here we go. This next one is Duck by Hal Rucker. This is a low-slung bot. It's a box on wheels with a beak for a lifter. It's a very durable bot, but wasn't durable enough for Riptide. So Duck started the season with a very difficult loss to Witch Doctor, and even a tough loss to a rookie in Dragon Slayer, and had a very disastrous loss to Riptide. So Duck ended up having a winless season. But anyways, here is Lego Duck. So how is this? So this is my Lego Duck. I did the Season 3 version of Duck a long time ago, and now here is the latest version of Duck that fought in Season 6. So here it is. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll be signing off. Have a good one. Quack.